From the island, give me island girl any day. Me need an island girl in my world to bring that sunshine love to me. I need an island.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how you can really maintain your hair and how you can make your hair very soft, very manageable, and how you can really have this very soft hair. Of course, not all hair is very soft, but there are some routines that you can really do all the time that can really make your hair very soft. Once you do these routines every time, trust me, your hair will become very soft. So what do you really need to make your hair very soft? You need to moisturize. It's only moisturizing that really helps the hair to be very soft for you to achieve good results. So what do I mean by moisture? It's only water. Once you use water, that is it. Water is magic. Also, the products that you use must have an element of water in them. Once you have that, that is it. So what do I really do to make my hair soft every day and every week? Or keep watching the video, you'll get all the tips that you can be able to make your hair very soft. So I divided my hair into 4 sections, as you can see, so that it can be very easy for me to work section by section. It makes it very easy, and for me to at least make the hair, the whole head, very moisturized. This section, remember, I'm using my water, I'm using my leavin, then I'm using my cream and the coconut oil. This is the coconut oil that I'm using. So these are the products that I'm using. So basically I start with water. Remember, more water or moisture is really very necessary for your hair to be very soft. I spray a good amount of water on the hair, as you can see. So I massage through the hair to make sure that it is very soft. So I massage slowly and finger detangle at the same time. This is what I'm doing. I finger detangle with my fingers. So I work section by section and also massage my scalp. It really helps for your hair to grow very fast. So I've already put my water. Water really makes your hair very soft. So the hair feels very soft already without even any other product, as you can see. It's already soft with just water. Then the next thing that I'm going to put in my hair is I'm going to put in my leave-in. It's very good oil. That's what I'm using. It's really working so well. You can really feel the hair becoming very soft. You can even puff on it. Then the next thing that I'm going to use is the oil. My favorite oil is coconut oil. This is what I'm using. My palm, but I'll pass through it. My palm. Yeah, just like that. Because the hair becomes soft within just seconds. And if you do this at least twice or once a week, trust me, your hair will be very soft. So this is what I'm doing. So after the oil, what I'm going to use is the cream. The cream I'm using is Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. That is what I'm using. Put it in your palm. So the method I'm really using is called the lock method. The lock method, that is the leave-in, the oil, and the cream. So this oil and the cream helps to seal the moisture in your hair. because if you use water, remember, if you're in a place that is maybe very hot and maybe like fussy hair tends to dry so fast. So if you're using water alone, the water can evaporate from your hair. So using oil and cream helps you to seal the moisture in the hair and helps it to be moisturized all the time and very soft all the time, every day. Then I have to twist this other part because I've finished to moisturize this part. It's well enough for it to be twisted again. Hair is fully moisturized, really soft. After a few minutes, let's now unravel our twist and see. The hair is already stretched without even any heat. I've not used any heat on my hair at all. So you can see how it has stretched out. I've not used really any heat on my hair at all, but it's very soft. This is how I moisturize my hair, guys. Loving the results. If you really think this video was really helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also share with your friends. Invite everyone to our channel because we shall really appreciate. We love you all. We love all the people who are subscribing. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video. We love you so much. Bye.